Hello, everybody. We got ourselves some pickups, so let's get started. Hello, guys. We got ourselves a couple things. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 things of Facebook Marketplace. I got a deal for all 11. $5 for all of this. Blew my mind. And one package to open. So let's begin. This one's gonna go to a patron. Space Jam. I already have this on DVD, so I do not need another copy. I have this house, the 2-disc special edition, and I have the 4K at my house, so I don't need this. So that's going to go to Patreon. This is already on sale on the eBay store. Chippendale Rescue Rangers. This is going to be uploaded on Tuesday, but I got these last week Wednesday at the time of this recording. If it might be on the store, it might not. We shall see. So this one is going to go in the store. Same with this one. Darkwing Duck Volume 2. It may or may not have sold. I don't know. Alrighty. This is a duplicate, but I don't have a copy for my house. Finding Nemo, wonderful movie. If you haven't seen it, all right. I of course had this DVD growing up. This movie came out the year I was born, so. Just for perspective, disc 1 is in the correct aspect ratio, and disc 2 is in full screen. Disc 1 and disc 2. Alright. They also had Finding Dory. So yeah, rewards code, I don't know if they redeemed it. I will give that a try. Again, I have Disney rewards, and I often get movies and stuff from there, so would be nice if it isn't, but if it is, what can I do? Come on. There we go. This is a movie I keep hearing I need to watch. This is The Sandlot. I never saw it before. I will now that I have it. 101 minutes rated PG. Full screen and widescreen. This needs to be clean, but it looks to be mint. All these discs look to be in okay shape so far. This is the set I really got this for. Tiny Toon Adventures Season 1 Volume 2. Now I gotta look for Volume 1 now. With the original slip box, which is nice. I need to check if this one has rot, because it's Warner Brothers, and they're having a rot issue. 646 minutes. Disc 1 looks to be mint. 5 discs. 4 discs. Disc 2. Disc 3. And disc 4. As I said, I do need Volume 1. But I have Volume 2 now, which is great. I was checking this is the one that I checked the discs on. Hey Arnold, the complete series. I have this at my house. I think it's either at my house or this house. Either way, I have 2 now, so box is a little beat up, but which one's volume 1? Okay, volume 1. I think I have it here. So, with that in mind, I'll take my the other copy to my house. Disc 1, 2. I've seen every episode of Hey Arnold. Actually, it's one of the very few shows I saw every episode. Disc 3, 4. Part 1, Disc 2, Part 1, Season 2, Part 1, Disc 1, 2, Disc 1, Part 2, for Part 1 was Disc 2, Part 1, and Disc 2, Part 2. I remember getting this back at in Walmart back in the day when they had this for $20 for the complete series, which was a steal. Hey Arnold, the complete series, volume 2. This has season 3. I know some people aren't a fan of it, but I really like the show. It's 4. That's odd. Season 3 is only 3 discs. Right, season 4 and season 5, which is on 3 discs. So, yep, they all look to be in minty shape. Of course, if you don't know, Hey Arnold ended on a cliffhanger, so, and that's why they made the Jungle movie, which is actually really good. So, there you go. I'm not the biggest fan of the show, but I'm gonna still keep this set. Why not? SpongeBob, the first 100 episodes. I can't believe I got all this stuff for $5, and there's 2 new releases in here. So, here's the episode guide if you're curious. Disc 14 is just special features. So I hate this packaging though. Why do they have to do this? I hate this weird thing. It's the same problem with my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle set. Disc 1, exact same problem. It's a pain in my ass. Disc 2, look how jagged that printing is. 176 minutes, 179 minutes for disc 2. Oh, I put it the wrong way. Okay, there we go. Come on, let's put it the right way around now. Alright, disc 3. I'm not the hugest SpongeBob fan, but I quite like it. And then I quite like this set, so I'm probably gonna keep this. Disc 4, and then not this time. It's this way around. Okay, this thing is confusing. How are the discs? Yeah, they all look to be in minty condition. Not like anything's gonna skip. Yeah, about 170 minutes per disc. Again, look how hard I'm like having to force this out. Worried I'm gonna break the damn disc. Anyway. Okay, yeah. You gotta be careful not to break the discs. Disc 5. Disc 6. Is it this way? No, it's this way. Sorry. I do not know what I'm doing. That's why I get plastic everywhere. Alright. Disc 7. Disc 8. Come on. Come on out. Come out, come out. Wherever you are. There we go. Right? It's this way. Right? Okay. Disc 9. Disc 10. This time around they actually have it the right way. Uh-oh. Okay, we're almost done. Sorry this is taking so long. Disc 11 and disc 12. And next up we got 13 and 14. So 13 and 14. So yeah, that's everything. Nice packaging. Nice disc artwork. Hate the packaging, rather. I still hate. Yeah, why do they have to do it this way? Stupid. Okay. That's it for DVDs. Blu-rays. This movie called Suzanne, some anime. Director of Your Name, which is a movie that I quite like myself. PG, how long is this movie? 7.1 audio track, which is nice. Okay, 122 minutes and bonus features of 200, like over 4 hours with the bonus features. Not even joking, that's what it says. Those are the bonus features. Alright. Steelbook, nonetheless. Alrighty. Whoa. That just flopped right off. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so we got the movie on Blu-ray, bonus features on Blu-ray, and then we got the DVD. I was like, no way this can have that long of bonus features on that many discs. The artwork fell off, so I'm just gonna keep it. I keep my papers to the side if it falls off. And the other title, this is a brand new movie. I'm very excited to watch this. Alright. PG-13, 112 minutes. I hear it's good. I wonder if I'm gonna like this more or less than the original. I really like the original, so that might sway me liking this. But I had a, since it was here, I can't wait to watch it. Pop her open. Digital copy. I will be redeeming that, of course. I gotta watch it. And the Blu-ray disc. Of course, this is the musical. They made it into a musical, and they kind of mixed the movie and the musical into this. So, yeah. We got one more item. I'm gonna open this for you guys. Give me 1 second. Alrighty. Come on. Ouch. I got a copy of Rush, A Farewell to Kings. For dirt cheap on eBay, so yeah, it's an excellent record if you haven't heard it. I'm trying to track down a matching copy of Hemispheres at the moment. Your lyrics. Excellent record, by the way. I highly recommend you give this a listen. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hello all, we got ourselves one package. This will be added on to a video. We're just gonna open it right now. Let's see. How do I get inside? Give me 1 second. Alright, we're in, and I got the Black Parade on CD. I finally own it. I bet VHS and CD Brony is gonna need a rip of this album. I'm gonna take it out of the bubble wrap for y'all and then take care of it. Alrighty. Fantastic record. Front spine, other spine. The top, the bottom, and the back. This does have a slipcover. Unlike later reissues that just had the jewel case. And I believe underneath here is the infamous expanded edition artwork. So yep. Fantastic record. Of course there's the hidden track Blood on the record as well. So yeah, you got a picture and then another picture inside. There you go. And then yeah, it folds out and becomes that. And on this side it's the lyrics to the record. I originally had the censored version, but never had the uncensored, the parental advisory issue. So now I do, and it has the slipcover, which is great. So yeah, that's it, everybody. On to whatever I show next. Alright guys, hello. We got ourselves one package. So let's get started. I will be selling my VHS tapes, all of them tomorrow to certain buyer. So I'll be getting back some money. Hopefully. I got a copy of Dookie, but it's in a brown case. That's interesting. This is a later pressing because it doesn't have Ernie on it. That's how you can tell when your pressing is from for this record. Because the first pressings had Ernie from Sesame Street as on the cover. But yeah. Case is half broken, but what can you do? So this copy will be going to eventually going to my grandma's house. I mean my house. As a backup. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Hello guys, we got ourselves a package and let's see what it is. I'm not too sure what it is. Oh, this game. Ah. Right. Black Parade is dead, some MCR. I did get the Black Parade thing, so yeah. To MCR MY, I'm assuming that's MY's fans. Say thank you, blah 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 blah. Get your merch here. Book. I ordered this a while ago and finally got it. Alright. I hope to watch this eventually. We have the discs upside down. Why, I have no idea. This is the CD, I'm assuming. And then this is the DVD. Yeah, there's the DVD logo. Yeah, so this is DVD. Alrighty. Finally got this one. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hey guys, we got ourselves something I did unbox, but I lost the footage, so I'm just gonna show it to you as is. I got Jurassic Park on LaserDisc. I did recently watch this disc. If you follow my Instagram, you saw I did watch it. Absolutely wonderful. It's in CAV format, so it's on. That's why it's in this box, because it's on 3 discs. As you guys can see, 5 sides. I got this for really cheap, so glad I did. Because Jurassic Park is a wonderful movie, and I didn't have it on LaserDisc, so I used to have the CLV version back in the day, but when I had my first player, but now I have the CAV version. I'm not gonna bother taking them out of the sleeves. So side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then nothing on this side. So yeah, that's it. Back to me with another LaserDisc unboxing. Guys, we got ourselves not a pizza plate. We got ourselves some more media. Let me cut it open and I'll show you what I got. Alright, here it is. Oh, it's open. Okay, I thought it was still sealed. Okay. I got myself a copy of the Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs Deluxe CAV LaserDisc box set. Spine. And here's the back. I got it for a really cheap price, so that's why I picked this one up. Alright. Okay. Actually, I was thinking about selling it because it was sealed, but it's not sealed, so I'm going to keep it. Here's the front. Spine. Back. Whoa. I used to have the VHS of the same edition, but now I have the LaserDisc. I just took out the discs, by the way. Side 4 also has some supplements like theatrical trailers, merchandising ads, and whatnot. So you got the stereo soundtrack, and you got the original mono soundtrack on here. It's cool. Let's see. I'm gonna keep this box set now that I know about it. Let's open side 1. This was the first Masterpiece Collection release, if you didn't know that. Side 1, 2. No, not 4. 3. I thought the box was sealed. That's okay. I'll probably watch this then, 3 and 4. So, because this movie is a 133 to 1 movie, it doesn't mention any letterboxings. Because this was before the days of widescreen. So yeah, let me put this away. And then you got The Making of a Masterpiece. I believe this is probably a CLV. Oh, it's a hybrid CLV CAV disc. Okay. Side 5, you got all of this stuff. So this is the CLV side, I'm assuming. And then these stuff over here, I'm assuming is CAV, because it's like frame by frame stuff, it looks like. Yeah. 75 chapters, as the box says. 75 chapters, 3 discs, supplemental material, side 5, and side 6. Alrighty. You got, I'm going to show these first. These are 10 exclusive lithos. Still sealed. I'm not going to open that up. Put that in the box. And this is the book, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, The Making of the Classic Film. I saw this for a very good price, so I was like, I had to pick this up. There's a bookmark in here. But yeah, wow, there's a lot of art prints in here. So now, this is my first box set in my collection, I believe. I actually have another box set coming to me, but it's not as elaborate as this one. So yeah, this is a very cool book. And yeah, that's the whole set. There's no soundtrack like some box sets, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. I mean, this set is in immaculate condition. Look at that. I mean, wow. So yeah, let's put this back in the box. I might be watching this tonight on second thought, knowing that it's not sealed. Whoa, this thing weighs a ton. So yeah, that's it. Snow White box set. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Everybody, we got ourselves 2 shirts I purchased and 1 book to unbox, so let's begin. I got a Metallica one. This is at Old Navy. They were on sale, so I picked that up. And I also got American Idiot from Hot Topic. This is a size bigger, but I figured I still get it anyway. They were having 40% off shirts, so band shirts, so I had to grab that. And the Moment of Truth, the big item. Give me 1 second. Junks in there, okay. And the other item is Alice in Chains, The Untold Story. Hope to read this soon. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hey guys, we got some pickups, so let's get started. Evanescence Fallen. I went thrifting again, so we got a couple more things to show you. Evanescence Fallen. Great album. Of course, sorry about the foot. Bring Me to Life, My Immortal. Both classics off this record. Okay. Give me 1 second. Alright. Waking up inside. I have the tour video that goes along with this album. But this is a repress, obviously. Don't think I ever owned this album, but now I do. I might have owned it back in the day, but not anymore. Right? This is an album I gotta re-listen to. Disc. Oh, almost dropped. It's not good. Okay. I got this again. Can't believe I'm saying this. Madame Web. I saw it in theaters. It was okay, but I figured for the cheap price I picked it up at the thrift store, I shall pick it up. Banger film. 116 minutes, rated PG-13. Of course, I'll be redeeming the digital copy, but not right now. Code, and then there you go. The three girls. It's a very interesting movie, let's just put it that way. And then the main older lady, forgot what her name was. Paper is off symmetrical again. It's the kind of things that drive me nuts. Anyway. See, now it's fixed. There we go. And then I got one more from the thrift store. Still shocked I found 4Ks. No VHS, no LaserDisc, no DVD, no Blu-ray, no nothing. Except these three, Falcon and Winter Soldier. Steel Book, 304 minutes. They didn't have any of the other ones, which is kind of sad because I wanted to pick up Obi-Wan and the other ones. This is just Blu-ray, unfortunately. No, they didn't have the 4K, but good enough. You got yourself some art cards. I won't be opening those up. The Blu-ray, disc 1, the Blu-ray, disc 2. Alright, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, forgot to put away the art cards. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hello guys, we got ourselves a couple pickups. 3 from the thrift store, some 4Ks, and from the thrift store, and 1 t-shirt from Walmart. $5. Alright. Now the 4Ks. Dune Part 2. PG-13, 166 minutes. I do have Part 1. I do have Dune 2019 or 2020. Now I have Dune 2. Yes, that was me opening. I'm retaking this video. Something came up, so I'm redoing it. So yeah. Come on. There we go. The disc, that was a digital, by the way. I'll be redeeming that, of course, after the recording. I do hope to watch this film eventually, as well as the first one. Alright. Andor, Season 1, 4K. TV 14, 576 minutes. This one's 3 discs, unlike the usual 2 for these Disney Plus shows. Give me 1 second. Alright, front, spine, back. Unfortunately, the backing had to come off. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to open it. You got your cards, which I'm not going to bother opening. But yeah, here's disc 1. 2. And 3. This is a prequel to the movie Rogue One, which was a prequel to the original trilogy. Anyway, which was after the prequel trilogy, though. So, people who were uninformed. I found, and then the last one is this. I believe this is a very hard to find one, but I grabbed it myself. Godzilla vs. Kong limited edition steelbook. Although I'm pretty sure they're eventually going to re-release it, but for now, it's going to be out of print. I think 115 minutes, PG-13. I'm one of the lucky few who found it, actually, because I saw, even, I guess somebody donated it, but, people were looking for it at Walmart and, Target, and had no luck, so, I guess I'm very lucky. Front, spine, back. Got ourselves our, whoa, digital copy. I'm not going to be showing you that. I'm going to be redeeming it, of course. Ad for Godzilla vs. Kong mobile game and a comic book. Let's put those papers to the side so you guys can see the artwork. Godzilla Kong for the 4K. And then we got Godzilla for the Blu-ray. Normally, if you were to buy this, you'd only get the 4K disc. Because Warner Brothers has been cheaping out. You have to buy the Steelbook if you want both nowadays. Which sucks. But yeah, I managed to get the Steelbook from these 3 from the thrift store. Can't believe it. And the 1 shirt. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys. This is the end of the video. Peace. Hello everybody. Welcome to the outro. If you could please subscribe to the channel. It does help us out a lot. I do have a lot of content from pickups to movie reviews and some guitar stuff every once in a while. So yeah, if you could, please check out the channel and check out the Inside Out 2 review and my 5-minute short film and stuff like that. Would help out big time. And yeah, also check out my eBay store. As I said, I did list a Chip and Dale and Darkwing Duck. They haven't sold yet, so if you're interested, they're still up on the store. I'll be going to the post office on Thursday. Oh no, Friday most likely, actually, because the bid ends Thursday night. Anyway, I'll be most likely going to the post office on Friday, so send your orders in. I do accept offers, so if you send your offers in and pay for it incomplete, I will accept them until, Friday morning, pretty much. And then after that, the next batch of orders, it will be in. So, yeah. Also, patrons, I want to thank Angela and the VHS and CD Brony for their support. I haven't really mentioned Patreon in a while in terms of shout outs, so Now's my time to do shoutouts to patrons. Um, I did create a new tier for patrons because I know some people might not be interested in the um, what's it called? The mystery movie. But I've been doing a decent amount of exclusive content and making things early. Like I would have made this pickups video earlier, but I haven't. Plus, I've been giving patrons other stuff early. So, but when we go back to normal schedule, I'll definitely make these either archive or regular pickups early access for them so they can see it first. Um, so yeah, that's my hope. So yeah, there's a new tier. It's $2 a month for just the videos, and it's still $7.50 a month if you want the mystery movie and the bonus videos. So there's two tiers now. If you're interested, it's up to you. So yeah, I don't have very much in terms of pickups coming up. I do hope to hit up the rubbish dump thrift store. Yes, there's a thrift store in our nearby a rubbish dump here in Hilo. I'm not kidding. As well as the thrift store next to the restaurant. Yeah, really weird here. There's a thrift store next to a restaurant that does recycling of old electronics. So I hope to hit up there sometime. Um, I'm doing my driving lessons as we speak. So yeah, that's been main priority for me. I do have, I believe, one package coming to me the on Tuesday, the day you're watching this, um, of a certain set, which you will see next pickups video. Which I'm hoping, if I do have enough content, will be in right before I go on vacation. Um, and then I hope to have something up for you during vacation as well. So yeah, I don't have very much else to say, but expect less pickups videos because I'm trying to save the archive ones for rainy days, and I'm also what's it called? Um, I'm also I'm also doing other videos, so I'll do some other tier lists. Primus is my next one for patrons, and Motorhead will be the next one, probably going up next week Tuesday. Public. It's up for patrons, but it's gonna go public on Tuesday. So yeah, I don't have very much else to say, but enjoy your day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.